Hey you guys, it's your girl Kamika. Welcome back to Makeba. Today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is for you to shampoo and condition your hair using our Love Intense set. So let's get started. So here's what you're going to need. A detangling brush, a detangling comb, whichever you prefer, and a microfiber towel, as well as our Love Intense Ayurvedic shampoo and conditioner set. Let's jump right on in. You want to start off by rinsing your hair thoroughly, completely saturating it with warm water. Next, you're going to want to get a little bit of our Love Intense Ayurvedic Restorative Shampoo. You're going to apply this directly to your scalp. Now, our Love Intense Ayurvedic Restorative Shampoo is an exclusive blend of 7 key active Ayurvedic extracts proven to nourish hair follicles, revitalize thinning hair, and restore volume. This shampoo has been designed to actually encourage healthy, strong strands. And the ingredients, the flax, the hibiscus, the shikakai, the amla, the bringraj, have been used for thousands of years in India and Africa to do just that, which is to promote healthy hair growth, stronger hair, darker hair. So it's excellent for that. I just love it. And as you can see, it foams up very nicely. And I also formulated it to be a shampoo that does some light detangling work for you. So no more will you have to worry about shampoos that strip your hair and make your hair feel like straw paper. No, our shampoo is very conditioning, very moisturizing, and very detangling. So as I wash, I apply it directly to the scalp. Then I run it down the strands, then I do my little twist and tuck, and then after I'm finished with all of the sections in my hair, I go and I thoroughly rinse it again with warm water. As you can see here, my hair is twisted and tucked, but I'm rinsing. Next, we're going to follow up with our Love Intense Ayurvedic Hydrating Conditioner. Now, I formulated this conditioner to be extra moisturizing and extra hydrating to even the driest of hair. My goal with this is to not only moisturize your hair, but to leave your hair with a really great silky feeling, and also to make a conditioner that did not have any buildup. Our Love Intense Ayurvedic Hydrating Conditioner also contains hibiscus, which is really excellent for conditioning, as well as flaxseed, which is also great for conditioning, detangling, as well as making those curls pop. Here's another tidbit that I want to make sure that you know about our shampoo and conditioner set. Everything that we make is pH balanced. So our shampoo set, our Love Intense, it's similar to a salon level shampoo and conditioner set in that it is pH balanced at a lower acidic rate, which is going to make sure that your hair strands stay strong, that they don't take up too much water, they don't become fragile, they don't expand too much, and they don't break. That's another wonderful thing about our Love Intense set, that they are pH balanced to promote stronger, longer, healthier hair. As you can see there, the hair is completely detangled. Now it's time for a good rinse. So with your final rinse, you're going to want to rinse with as cool of water temperature as you can stand, which is going to shut down that cuticle layer and lock in that moisture. Follow it up with a light dab of your microfiber towel. As you can see, there's not a lot of shedding. Not a lot of shedding. And that's it. Thank you all for joining us on Makeba. And if you have any questions about our shampoo and conditioner or any of our other Makeba products, we'd love to hear from you. Visit us at www.lovemakeba.com.